Welcome to TileWare's Boundless installation video. Boundless is a corner shelving program for tile applications. We'll be introducing white L-shaped shelving. Shelving will be finished on both sides. These shelves were intended to install with tile. Additionally, we offer a model with an integrated hook feature. Let's take a minute and look at the contents of this box. Hook models contain a poly bag with hardware. Inside the bag is a stainless steel hook offered in multiple finishes. Check out our website for finished details. Also included is a patched 8/32 stainless steel screw. Each acrylic solid surface shelf is packaged in a poly bag. Models requiring hooks are pre-drilled. It's important to note that these shelves install with tile and not after. Hook models work best as lower shelves. To begin the process, apply thin-set adhesive to your tile substrate using the flat side of the notch trowel. This ensures that you have proper adhesion. Using a notch trowel or a margin trowel as illustrated, apply thin-set adhesive to the back edges of the shelf. We suggest that you apply this in a wedge-type pattern. When it's completed, it looks something like this. After you've done this, simply press the shelf into the wall. We have instructions on the top of the box for your reference. Now take the tile, using the flat side of the trowel, press in the thin-set. Then using the notch side, comb the thin-set in one direction. After, press the tile to the wall. Repeat that process for each tile that covers the shelf. Notice that the shelf is situated under the edge of the tile. This is what we mean when we suggest that the shelf is installed with tile and not after. Also, maintain a grout joint where the shelf meets the upper tile. Now let's go ahead and install the upper shelf. The same exact process applies to the upper shelf. Apply thin-set to the back edges in a wedge pattern. Then press into the wall. One more detail about back buttering thin-set. There is an important advantage when combing thin-set in one direction. It ensures that no air is trapped behind the tile and allows the thin-set ridges to properly collapse. This really ensures proper adhesion. An interesting design feature, L-shaped shelves can be used on left and right facing tub and shower walls because they are finished on both sides. With shelving layouts and design themes, shelves can be configured as plain or with hooks or combined as illustrated in this video. Whether you are a construction professional or a DIYer, you can be confident that these shelves are super strong and easy to install. After 24 hours before grouting, remove any excess thin-set with a utility knife. Then wipe clean with a damp sponge. Using a grout float, press the grout into the joint. Now we'll wipe the grout clean, using a sponge to carefully tool the joints, finishing in a diagonal direction. Using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, mount the hook to the shelf using an 8/32 stainless steel screw. Tighten snugly. Hang poofs as well as sponges and scrubbers or anything that hangs with a rope. One L-shaped shelf has 2 times the storage of one 9-inch pie. These shelves hug perimeter walls, providing you more movable space. With Boundless shelving, organized salon containers, small containers, shavers, hanging objects, all with simple styling and easy care. Check out our waterproof ADA grab bars. Please share your comments, like, and subscribe, and ring that bell.